A billion-dollar battle over climate accountability and vaccine access is heating up in New York, and it's stirring up fierce debate. The Climate Change Superfund Act, a bold state initiative aimed at holding major fossil fuel companies financially responsible for environmental damage, is once again under legal fire. Just days ago, the U.S. Department of Justice escalated its opposition by urging a federal court to strike down the law as unconstitutional. This move follows an earlier lawsuit filed in Manhattan, signaling a deepening clash between federal authorities and state lawmakers. Here's what's at stake. The law mandates that large oil corporations contribute $3 billion annually for the next 25 years to a fund designed to combat the long-term effects of climate change. Supporters argue it's a necessary step to make polluters pay for the damage they've caused. Critics, however, claim it unfairly targets specific industries and could set a dangerous precedent for retroactive liability. Is this a long overdue reckoning, or an overreach of state power? But that's not the only controversy brewing. The Trump administration has issued new federal guidelines that significantly restrict access to COVID-19 vaccines. Under these rules, only individuals age 65 and older, or those with specific underlying health conditions, will be eligible for vaccination this year. This shift has sparked concern among public health advocates who fear it could leave vulnerable populations unprotected. In response, New York State Assemblymember Jenifer Rajkumar has introduced legislation that directly challenges this federal stance. Her bill would require pharmacies to offer vaccine appointments without the need for a doctor's prescription for COVID-19 and other immunizations. The key phrase, based on science. Rajkumar's proposal emphasizes evidence-driven healthcare access, regardless of what federal agencies like the CDC recommend. And this is the part most people miss. Rajkumar's bill could redefine how states navigate federal health directives, potentially setting a precedent for more localized control over vaccine distribution. What do you think? Should states have the power to override federal vaccine guidelines in the name of science? And when it comes to climate accountability, is New York leading the charge or crossing a legal line? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This is a conversation worth having.